And here we are in Viral Mailer for You. And if you, just before we start, I just want you to see this ad here. This configuration, in my opinion, works very well. This green, red, black on yellow with the white banner here, I think works very, very well. So when you come to do your promotional banners, you may want to kind of emulate this style. Don't copy it exactly, but something similar would be very good. Now, before we start talking about the affiliate tools, don't forget to come in every day and click your daily bonus points. My understanding is that if you do it 30 days in a row, you get 200,000 credits. And if you miss a day, you go back to zero. So 7 days a week, make sure you click on that. And also don't forget to do your activity rewards, your daily, monthly contest points, and get 1,000 points so that you can be part of the drawings where Jason, who's the owner of this website, gives away thousands and thousands of credits and cash. So don't forget to do that. And don't forget to look at your updates at least once a week. Very important. So make sure you spend at least half an hour a day here doing all of the activities that you're required to do in the previous videos we spoke about. Now let's look at the affiliate tools. So if you scroll down on the left hand side and the dashboard here, the left dashboard, you'll see it says affiliate tools and stats. Your first tab is affiliate pages and banners. So let's look at that. And here you will see your affiliate links. So your username will be here at the top. Your direct referral URL will be here. And your referral URL without exit pop-up will be here. I've had 28 unique hits. And down here you have tracking code that you can put into the various tracking programs that you may have. And then splash pages just down here. Again, take the time just to look at the different splash pages. I'll just show you one for now. See which one appeals to you the most, and then go out and test them. Okay, so that's a great splash page just there. And as I've said in previous adverts, in previous videos, I probably wouldn't make this my first ad that people see. So you put a little ad in one of the traffic exchanges, it brings them direct to this page. I may not do that. I may take them to a sign-up box first, where they opt into your list, and you give them a free gift, and then it takes them on to this page. So I would probably be more inclined to do it that way. Obviously, I'm not gonna enforce whichever way you do it. It's entirely up to you. So scrolling back, you've got different splash pages. Congrats splash pages. Join the family splash, 19 free solo splash, more leads splash, all the different things you can think of. So take a look at them. The monthly giveaway splash pages talks about the giveaways. People love a few things. If you talk about traffic, people think they need more traffic. And you give them what they need and then sell them what they want. They don't actually need more traffic. What they need is targeted traffic that converts. But everyone thinks they need traffic. So if there's a page talking about traffic, that is a very good incentive. $100 a day is a very good incentive. It's a figure that people can easily think they can reach. $100 a day is not so much. But if you put $1 million a day, people go, I can't do that. That's impossible. So I would start off small with $100 a day. Increase it as they go along to $1,000 a day, $10,000 a day, $50,000 a day as they progress through the system. And there's many banners down here, square banners and did you know banners, and then loads of banner ads with the HTML codes. I mean, it goes on and on and on. So you take a look at the ones you want to use, or you can make some of your own if you want to stand out completely separate from the crowd. But these have been created by Viral Mailer for You team, and they've probably been tested and they probably work. So I would start using these first, possibly, and then move on to other banners if you find they're not working for some reason. So that's where all your affiliate pages, your affiliate links, and your banner links will be. The next one is your top site splash. This is something I'm going to fill in a little bit later, but I would definitely come back and do all this if you haven't done it. And these are all links, and then your recommended sites. So I'm going to add in Infinity Traffic Boost here. I'm going to add in Leads Leap, Hungry for Hits, Free Advertising for You, and the List Building Club are going to be added in here. And then you can save the top sites. So I haven't done that yet, but it's something I will do. And I'll leave you, I won't do a separate video about it. I'm going to leave you to actually fill this in, because people will come and look at it and people will click on the links. You think they won't, but they will. The next is your commissions and your referral stats. And here you can, well, let's look at the referral mailer. I don't have any referrals yet. So this will activate once I get my referrals. Again, this is a site I haven't promoted yet. This is a mailer to all of your referrals. You've got a downline mailer. So this not only will mail out to your referrals, but to your whole downline team. And here, should you wish, you can transfer credits to other members. And it's entirely up to you whether you do that or not. I might be inclined to do it if I've got someone who's done really, really phenomenal. They've just done an amazing job, and they've signed up, a few people. They're clicking links left, right, and center, and you're earning commissions from them. Hey, why not transfer some credits to them to encourage them to continue? So that's it pretty much for Viral Mailer for You. Very simple. That's where all your affiliate information is. And across the top of the first affiliate page, you will see the same thing again. Splash pages, banner ads, email copy, forum signatures and text links, and then the promo tweets. Okay, so now you know where all the affiliate tools are in Viral Mailer for You. You have no excuses anymore. Don't forget to go off and click all your ads in Viral Mailer for You. And in the next video, I will talk about free advertising for you and where all your affiliate material is within that program. I'll see you in that video.